Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing, mi amigos at amigas? I hope you're all doing well and it's good to be back. I've been ugh, I've been gone for quite some time because I got tired, got lazy filming. But now I'm back. And as you can see by the title, I will be custom painting some random stuff at home. Now let's go. And welcome to the voiceover. The first household item that I'll be custom painting is this makeup or paint palette, and this is its final sketch. And now I started to paint it with hot pink, and I somewhat kinda regretted it because that's not really my favorite color, but life must go on. And here's a little sneak peek of my sleeping dog and the makeup palette. And now I will be dipping my small brush into this black blob and adding it to the palette. Are you ready for the reveal? Ta-da! Here is the final look of the makeup or paint palette. I like it. So I then used it as my jewelry organizer, cause why not? I really love the end result with this one. Sorry for the tarnished bracelet. And these are my small jewelry collection. The next household item that I will be custom painting are these two very scratched up discs. Nicholas Holt, I love you. That's why I'm not throwing this CD away, but instead I'm going to upcycle it. Oh, forest reflection. So cute! Now, time to paint them white. Right, so I can sketch on them. And now, let's go sketch. Alright, my amigos at amigas, the final sketch is done. And now, time to paint. On this disc, I decided to use yellow and peach as the color combo. I'll be custom painting my mother's tablet cover too. Because I was not satisfied with the supposed to be final design of the tablet cover, and because of my dumbness, I painted the background white instead of doing it as the base coat in the first place. And now the base coat is done. While waiting for it to dry, I've decided to custom paint my own tablet cover because it looks so scratched up and messy, and besides, it would be a waste to throw it away. Now I'll also be painting my tablet cover with white as the base coat. I won't be doing the same mistake twice. And I decided to design it with a succulent, though I low-key want a rose. But oh well, let's continue. Before we continue custom painting, mi amigos at amigas, you might consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you're always notified on my next upload. Now let's get back to painting. I am again stepping out of my comfort zone by using all these colors. I hope you, me amigos and amigas, like it. Now, me amigos and amigas, time to add some sexy lines. Here's the final look of my mother's tablet cover, and I'll also add a clip of my finished tablet cover and those CD that I turned into coasters. Hope she likes it. Bye. Look up quarantine made me do. There's a fur on my mouth. Okay, mi amigas at amigas, here are the final results of the household stuff that I custom painted or customized. These CDs as a coaster, and there's two tablet covers. This is mine and this is for my mother, my mom. I'll try my best to film her reaction, to get her reaction when I give this to her. Okay, so that's it for today or tonight, or if what time zone you're in, on, whatever. So that's it for today or tonight. Thanks for watching, mi amigos at amigas. Stay safe. Always wash your hands. Bye. Babush, 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 babush. Okay, mi amigos at amigas. I'll be giving the tablet cover to my mother. Let's see her reaction. Ma, I have a surprise for you. I have a surprise for you. So in this part, I have to mute the audio and do the voiceover cause your girl doesn't want to be copyrighted. Copyrighted. Is that even a word in the dictionary? I don't know. But judging from her reaction, I think she likes it. And please don't mind those clothes. I'll be folding them later after this. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.